Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop. I recorded 2 videos, and one was kind of an unboxing, one was a test of a puzzle, and yeah, my sound didn't record, so I'm going to overdub it here. Now, I was going to try to actually dub the actual vocals, but that's probably not going to happen, so I'm just going to put my face over top and pretend like I'm here for the first time. What I wanted to see is if the RS3 2020 was still a top tier puzzle. Like, when it came out, it was a $10 puzzle and people were like, this is really good. This is like top tier. And I think Moyu panicked a bit. So like, oh no, we can't have someone this cheap be like what people want to use. And so they came up with a higher priced version of it. And then, but it's still really nice. And actually, my puzzle that I used as the SpeedCube review puzzle on SpeedCubeShop site was the RS3 2020. But I put in extra magnets. You can still buy those extra magnets. They're not making that puzzle or the special SpeedCube review version because J-Perm picked the same puzzle, and you know this is gonna outsell mine. But you can buy the extra magnets separate for like $1.49. So you can get the puzzle for $8.95 or $8.99, and then get the extra magnets, install them if you'd like. Now I'm gonna try this without extra magnets. I'm gonna try it without lubrication. I'm just going to take the puzzle out of the box and use it and see what happens. So I'm just going to jump right into the solves here. I'm going to talk over the solves because mine as well, since I'm overdoing the audio anyways. So first solve right away, turned out pretty nice. I definitely like a more softer lubricated feel of the puzzle, so I wasn't a big fan of the scratchy feel, but it still performed fine. And I didn't do any tension adjustments. It was, like, in my opinion, tight enough right out of the box. It wasn't too loose. Just a few solves later, got a sub 10 solve, so that was great. Next solve after that, decided to try a ROUX solve. ROUX works great, M slices are great with this, so both methods work great. After about 12 to 15 solves, I decided to try adding some lubrication. Now, I added candy cane lubrication because that is my favorite, since it's not always in stock, since it's just a special for the holidays around Christmas. I would suggest getting Nebula. Nebula is a little bit thicker, but it performs relatively the same. Lunar might be a bit too thin. I don't really mess with Martian or any of those, so I use Lunar, candy cane, or Nebula, and then Cosmos if I wanted to slow down. I didn't really want to slow it down or have it too light, so yeah. And after that, it performs great. Honestly, this has turned into one of my favorite puzzles again. I am thinking about adding some other magnets to it. Maybe try like a core corner magnet. It could work with this, and just see if I could install them and see what happens, but I also don't want to mess it up. It's nice having a brand new puzzle, and yeah, this could be, if I had a competition tomorrow, I might actually use this one, just because I'm feeling really comfortable with it. I like the stability of it. So if you are looking for a new puzzle, the RS3 2020 is still a very, very, very good puzzle, and for less than $9, it can perform just as good as a $70 puzzle. And it honestly can have a bit more adjustment settings too than many of the higher puzzles as well. So I still recommend it. If you buy it, if you want to get it at SpeedCubeShop, if you use discount code SCR, you can save at checkout and also help support the channel. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. Hopefully I'll get my audio working next time. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeShop.com for more news and reviews.